guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be another makeup tutorial. This time we are using the last of the Vault Collection palettes, which is the Dark Magic palette. I was kind of scared about dipping into this palette only because I've seen some swatches and some reviews, and some of the shadows don't blend very well, but I'm gonna try it out. We're gonna see how they work for me. This is the look that we're gonna create today. Yeah, no, I think that's actually it. This is the last palette in the collection, so I'll be giving you my final thoughts at the end of the video, and I'll also be doing a thorough review very soon. So if you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and comment down below and tell me what else you would like to see from me. And if you haven't already, make sure that you subscribe to my channel and turn on my post notifications, because I upload videos every single day. And if you turn on my notifications, you'll get notified of when I upload. So if you would like to see how I created this green beautiful eye situation we have going on, then keep on watching. So, I'm so sleepy. I just got done running like, I'm gonna say like 4 miles. I think I ran 4 miles. It's Hell Week, so, but it's over. Today was my last day of Hell Week, so I'm gonna rest tomorrow because my legs are killing me. Okay, first thing I'm gonna do is prime my eyes with my foundation. First thing I'm gonna do is prime my eyes with my foundation concealer combo that I showed you in my last video. And set that with a little bit of powder. Just gonna press it in. So for this look, the first thing I'm gonna do is go in to the Dark Magic palette. Last one, yes! At the finish line, kids. I'm gonna go in with Shh. That's literally the name of it. So I'm gonna take Shh and on this JH30 brush, and I'm gonna put that into my crease. You guys, today has been such a long day. I will be so happy once Friday rolls around, because I'm legitimately ready for this week to just be over, you know, just end already. Like, I feel like it's been going on forever, and I just want to sleep. That's all I want to do. So now I'm going to take a clean Morphe brush. This has no number or anything. It's just a brush from the eye collection that I got from them. And I'm just going to, it has no product on it, I'm just going to blend out the shadow. So if you have not entered my giveaway yet, it is still going on. So I would definitely appreciate it if you entered my giveaway. I mean, it's free makeup, so I mean, why not? So next I'm going to go into Mojo, which is this dark shade here. It looks like a kind of like a really deep brown, but we'll see. And that's gonna go on the outer corner. So the name of this color is Mojo, and it's really making me think of Mojo Jojo. So now I want to watch the Powerpuff Girls. Thanks a lot, Jaclyn Hill. Oh, so I wanted to let you guys know that I did a weigh-in today, and I am officially 184 pounds. I know that still sounds like a lot, but 6 weeks ago, I was 192 pounds. So in 6 weeks, I lost 8 pounds. 8 pounds without doing any like dieting or calorie restriction or anything like that. So I am super, super, super proud of myself. And I'm excited to keep going. So I'm gonna go back in with that Morphe brush that I used to blend out the other color and just soften up those edges. Blend it all, make it look nice. Now I'm going to take this JH37 brush. So I'm going to go in with Inside Job, which is this dark green color. You guys know I love green. And I'm going to pack that onto my lid. Like, pack it. Ooh. Wait a minute, that is nice. Ooh, Jaclyn, you better work. See how it blends though, because right now we're just packing. So now that we've packed that color on, we're just gonna blend it out so it doesn't look so harsh. So now I'm going to go back in with that same Morphe brush that I used to blend out the other shadows and just blend out the edges again. Because we want it to look nice and seamless and not too harsh. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with this Morphe brush from that same eye collection that I got in one of my haul videos, and I'm gonna go into the shade Trickery, which is this sparkly green shade, and that's gonna go on the lid, and then we're just gonna blend it out upwards. You'll see what I'm talking about. And we're gonna go back in and blend. That was a lot. And we're still not done. We still have to do the face, which I'm actually gonna do off camera, but there is one more thing that I want to do before we do that, and that is we're going to cut this because I want it to be a little bit sharper. I'm going to show you how I do that. So I'm going to take this brush. This is just a random brush that I got from a brush collection years ago. I don't actually know where it's from. And I'm going to take some of my Maybelline concealer, and I'm going to coat my brush like this. And I'm going to sharpen up this line here. So I'm gonna measure where I want it to go. Like that. Kind of the same way that I would do it if I was going to sharpen up my eyeliner or something like that. But this isn't eyeliner, it's just eyeshadow. Still want it to be sharp. And then we're just gonna put foundation over this, so you won't even be able to tell. Isn't that so smart? Okay, so now that we've done that, it's time to do the face, which I'm gonna do off of camera, but I'm gonna be using my new Fenty Beauty foundation in the color 350, and I'm also going to set that with the Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. Okay, so I'm back, and we're gonna finish the eyes. I contoured, highlighted, foundation, concealer. You guys have seen this all before, so I just did it off camera. So I'm going to go under my eye with Inside Job, that dark green shade. And I'm also going to take Trickery, which is that shimmery green, and put that under the eye as well. Just for a little bit of sparkle. And now I'm going to go put on some mascara and I will be right back. Okay everyone, so these are the eyes. I really like it. I've never gone this dark with my eye makeup before. But I really like it. I really like how it turned out, so let me know what you guys think. So now we're gonna do the lips to finish it all off, and I'm gonna be using the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink, and this is in the color Amazonian, and it's a really pretty brown color, since our eyes are so bold, I figured I might as well do a brown. Okay guys, so that is it for this makeup tutorial. We are finally done with the entire Vault collection, and I have to say, overall, I really like it. There was only, I think, 2 shades that I had problems with and that were really not working. Granted, I have not used every single shade and every single palette, so I will be doing a thorough review on the product very soon, but I did want to give you guys a general idea of how the one that I got works, and you know, yeah. I will have a review out soon, but so far it's looking like an 8 out of 10. 8 out of 10, you know, so far. I do like the collection. I'll probably use it a lot, along with her OG Jaclyn Hill palette, because I like that one as well. I think that's it, you guys. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, tell me what else you guys would like to see from me, and if you have not already, make sure that you subscribe to my channel and turn on my post notifications so that you never miss another upload. I'll be in your inbox every single day. I love you so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video. Bye.